Hello everyone, and welcome to a quick video on how you can support the Apple Programming YouTube channel and other things that I might do. So the website that you see in front of you, you can find at appleprogramming.com or dara.com, which is just my last name. And this is my little website that hasn't been updated in like 10 years and it's very static, but I haven't really got around to actually making a full website at some point, and maybe I will get some full server running eventually, but priorities in life. So with that said, there are 3 different ways that you can donate to the channel. So if you would like to, you can sponsor the channel, which would be, say, a video review or some kind of shout out at the end of a video. These are all options that you could do if you wanted to support some kind of product that you own or maintain. And if you want to get in touch with me to promote something like that, you want to basically just email me and we can talk about whatever the product is. I will give you a fair warning up front that if you are seeing this video and you just think that I will promote anything, that is not the case. Really, for anything, if I'm going to promote anything, it's something that I would end up using myself. So I'm pretty stingent on the little things that I might want to use. Preferably, it's something around the Apple ecosystem that people would want to buy and they would use. That's, kind of jives with the theme of the channel. So that's one option, is channel sponsorship. Another option is to just donate one time, and this is a button that I've had for a very long time. It's basically just a PayPal link. You can send me some amount that you feel was, maybe you watched a video and you just said, wow, this was really helpful. You can use just the one-time donate link and you can never talk to me again. The last option, which I have recently kind of been working on, is this Patreon page. So if you click on this option, you'll be brought to patreon.com/appleprogramming. And this page is the ability to get some nice little perks out of being a or a continuous supporter of the channel. So basically you will submit some amount monthly to myself, and I will thank you every month for that. But basically there's some different perks that you can get when you sign up at various levels. So there's a Mac Mini level, which is the $2 level. There's a $5 level, a $15 level, and a $50 level. And I'll go through all those right now. So the $2 level is really just kind of a, thank you for contributing to the channel. But you will also get the access to the Discord chat. So Discord is similar to Slack if you used any other group chatting kind of mechanism. It's a great little application that has fairly, it's less limited, or it's, yes, less limited than Slack is for lots of members. So that's why we're using Discord. So that's the $2 membership level. It's really just a thanks for doing your videos, and you'll also get access to the chat and any other little patron updates that will come about on this channel. Then the next level is this MacBook Pro level at $5 a month, which gives you access to tutorial requests. And I know anybody can give me a tutorial request, but these are tutorial requests that I will take more sincerely. So you are a paying member of sort of this programming channel. And as a result, I take your requests a little more seriously. Obviously, you're probably not going to get every request that you want, because if other people are requesting things as well, but you are a higher priority, at least on tutorials that I might want to do on the channel. So that's just something that you get on a perk level for that. Then you also get access to a monthly Ask Me Anything. So you can submit any question that you want about me, about the channel, about life. I've got so many great suggestions about life. You can just ask me any of those questions and I'll give you the answers. So that's it. Then the next level is a $15 a month level. And this is basically the ability to put your name, or, well, whoever's name, I guess, if you really want, but preferably your name on the credits of all the videos that I produce while you're a member of this level. So as long as you're a member of this level, every weekly video that I put out, you will get your name tacked on to the end of the credits in that section. And you'll also have the ability to call into the monthly AMA. So instead of just submitting questions over the chat, you can actually call in and we can talk probably ahead of time. I'm not really sure how I'll necessarily coordinate that, but probably you'll be able to call in ahead of time we can talk about different things, and you might be part of the AMA. That kind of depends, on how I feel about that. And then, of course, you get all the previous benefits. The last level is a Mac Pro level at $50 a month, and this is only limited to 10 people. I really don't expect most people to be paying this. So what you get out of this ability, though, is a one-on-one monthly chat with me over, however you want to do that, Skype, FaceTime, yada, yada, yada. And basically the nice thing about this is that you have my undivided attention on anything that you want to talk about. So if you have issues on a project that you want me to, cover with you, if you just want to, shoot the shit, that's also an option for you as well. So it's up to you. But that is that level. And again, there's only 10 people that I'm going to allow to be on that because, obviously there's some time limits around that. And the monthly chat will probably be, pretty much as long as you want it to be, because you'll get bored of talking to me after probably about 30 minutes. But yeah, you can talk to me as long as you want. All right. Then the little bottom section here, there's a section on goals that I have. So by the end of this year, my goal is to have $100 a month just to show that people actually want this channel to continue to exist. Really doesn't amount to a lot. So hopefully, kind of hoping I can get there. The next level is a $250 per month level. And at this level, I'm going to write some kind of small book or some video series that my patrons will get free access to. And everyone else will essentially have to pay for that if I ever get to that level. So that's what the $250 a month level means, is all the patrons are going to get some small little bonus thing for free that other people, are going to have to pay for. At the $500 level goal, there is this ability for me to start a podcast of sorts. So I'll probably interview different people in the community or different people that are patrons to my channel, different things like that. So that's something that I wish to start in a future time frame, but I really kind of feel like I have to have some kind of backing before I get to that stage in my life. And then, of course, there's the crazy stretch goal of quitting my day job. So if I ever get to that, that'd be awesome, but we'll see. Anyway, that's pretty much what the Patreon page looks like. And if you sign up at this level, I'll probably be more generous to you in the beginning just for signing up, but I'll probably start to strictly adhere to some of these benefits later in time as, hopefully more people join. But hopefully these are all kind of different levels that various individuals can be attracted to. With that said, let's look at what Discord is. So Discord is, like I said before, it's essentially a group chat system similar to Slack in different ways. The nice thing about Discord, though, is that they don't have a hard limit on the free tier for the number of messages you can send. So that's ultimately why I'm using Discord. But with that said, there is an Apple programming server, which you'll get access to once you join the Patreon page. And if for whatever reason you can't figure that out, just send me a message through the Patreon chat. Different things that we have. There is the code channel where you can talk about anything code related. Maybe you're just working on a Swift project, and there's maybe you just have a question about how other people write their guard let statements or something. I don't know. Anything that you really want to talk about code-wise, you can put in the code channel. There's a show and tell channel, which allows you to talk about different different projects that you either have found online or you're working on personally, and you can advertise those to the show and tell topic, and hopefully other people can learn about cool projects out there as well. Then there is the help channel, which is where if you're working on something and you would like some kind of input from people that hopefully have a little more background in Mac OS, you can kind of think as like a crappier version of Stack Overflow, where you answer random things and people may or may not have the answers for you, and there's less people to answer. So take that as you will, but that's kind of what the help section is geared towards, is you have some kind of project or some kind of problem on anything. It can be my tutorials or your personal projects, and hopefully we can answer some of your questions. And then there's a random channel where you can post random things, obviously within limits. I don't want this to get totally out of hand. It is a programming chat kind of thing, so it's not should be safe for work, I guess. Anyway, with that said, that's kind of what you'll get out of these different Patreon benefits. And once you have added yourself to one of these levels, I will gladly have you on the Discord chat. And I look forward to having you as a patron for my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week with another great tutorial. See you then.